Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel JATUTORIAL. Today's our topic is storage of crude drugs. So let's start. In this slide, we have to know that what is crude drug. Definition: crude drugs are vegetable or animal drugs that contain natural substances that have undergone only the process of collection and drying. In next slide, storage of crude drugs. There are so many points which I describe about the storage of crude drugs. So let's start. In the first point, storage facilities for medicinal materials should be well aerated, dry and protected from light and when necessary be supplied with air conditioning and humidity control equipments as well as facilities to protect against insects. Second point, the floor should be tidy without crack and easy to clean. Medicinal materials should be stored on shelves which keep the materials a sufficient distance from the walls. Measures should be taken to prevent the occurrence of pest infestation. Processed medicinal plants materials should be packaged in clean, dry boxes, sacks, bags, and other containers according with standard operating procedure and national and regional regulations of the procedure and the end user containers. In this point, dried medicinal plants including essential oils should be stored in a dry, well aerated buildings in which daily temperature fluctuations are limited and good aeration is ensured. In the next point, fresh medicinal plant materials should be stored at appropriate low temperature, ideally at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Frozen products should be stored at less than -20 degrees Celsius. Slide. In this point, materials used for packaging should be non-polluting, clean, dry and in undamaged condition and should conform to the quality requirements for the medicinal plant materials concerned. Fragile medicinal plant materials should be packaged in rigid container, and these are the pictures are rigid containers. Next point, small quantity of crude drugs should be readily stored in airtight, moisture-proof and light-proof containers such as tin, cans, covered metals, tins or amber glass containers. These pictures, these are shows the amber glass containers. Wooden boxes and paper bags should not be used for storage of crude drugs. थैंक यू सो मच। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स।